Miss PaDoodle's Playhouse. Hi everyone, welcome to Miss PaDoodle's Playhouse. Today we are going to be using our ears to hear different sounds. When I press this button, we'll hear a sound and we have to guess what sound that is. Are you ready? Awesome! Here we go! That sounds like a musical instrument. Is it a guitar? A drum? Or a piano? Let's listen to that one more time. Do you know what it is? It's a guitar! Good job! Wow, that is so much fun using our ears to listen. Let's try another one. Was that a whistle? A bell? Or a siren? Should we listen to it one more time? I know, it's a whistle. Ooh, I can't wait to see what the next sound is. That's definitely some type of animal. Is it a bird, a cat, or a dog? Let's listen one more time. I know what it is. It's a bird. Birds go tweet, 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 tweet. Let's try one last sound. Wow! Do you think that was rain, thunder, or lightning? Let's listen to that one more time. Do you know what it is? Good job! It's rain! Hey, that reminds me. I know of a really fun way to recreate the sound of rain right in your home. Do you want me to show you? Awesome, let's go. I'm in my backyard now and I have some rice. Ooh. And this empty bottle. But in order to recreate the sound of rain, I need some sticks. So let's go around and find some. I bet I'll find a lot of sticks out here. I'll start over there. Ooh, maybe in this birds of paradise bush. Let's look down below. Ooh, I see some sticks. We're off to a good start. I bet the garden has a lot of sticks in it. Oh, two more. I found some in this cactus plant. I need to find some more sticks. Ooh, this looks like fun. I'll ride around on this and look for sticks. Woo! Ooh, found some more. Beep, 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 beep. I think I got some good sticks. Let's get started. All right, I'm going to put some of the sticks in my empty bottle. One. Oh, that was a big one. Another one. Some more. This is fun. Keep filling it up. Whoop. Whoop. There we go. Got all my sticks in. Now I'm gonna put some rice in it. Here we go. Perfect. Gotta put the lid back on. Good and tight. Now, listen with your ears as I turn the bottle upside down. Oh, wow. It sounds like rain. You can make one of these at home too. Just make sure to ask an adult for some help. You know what? I'm having so much fun listening to different sounds. Let's play another game. We're back in Miss PaDoodle's studio, and I have some cool and different items here. I have cotton balls, blue pipe cleaners, different colored gumballs, and rainbow rice. And they all make different sounds. If we're really quiet, I bet we can hear. Shh. Well, I don't really hear anything now, but I bet if we put them in these sound tubes and shake them, we'll hear what noise they make. Let's give it a shot. Let's start with the cotton balls. They're white, kind of fuzzy, and very soft. Let's put them in our test tube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Close the lid. You ready? Let's give it a shake. Wow! They really don't make much of a sound. It's a very soft and quiet sound. I like that. Let's move on though. Now let's do our blue pipe cleaners. What kind of sound do you think they'll make? Let's see. Ooh, they're kind of soft and fuzzy. Stick them in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if I can fit anymore. We might just do 6. Let's close the lid. What kind of sound do you think it's gonna make? Let's see. Still pretty quiet, but it does make a tap, tap, tap noise. Do you hear it? That one's kind of fun. Let's move on though to our gumballs. Do you think the gumballs will make a loud or a quiet sound? Let's find out. There's a yellow, green, ooh, a pink, a blue, just like my shirt, a white, an orange one, and a red. Let's put the lid on. You ready? Wow, those make a really, really loud sound. Oh, almost hurts my ears, it's so loud. Wow, this was definitely louder than the cotton balls and the pipe cleaners. But we still have one